Hey guys, today we're going to draw Spider-Man, so grab a pencil and paper so we can get started. If you'd like to see some of my other lessons, I have some books on Amazon. Check out a link in the description of my channel or this video and you can go see them. Otherwise, let's get started. First, I'm going to do his eyes. And to do his eyes, do a curve just like that, and on the other side, another curve just like that. They should kind of mirror each other. And then what you're gonna do is on the connect each of the ends with a more gradual curve, just like this. This is gonna be for his eyes. And then on his mask, he has kind of a black outline of his eyes. So what we'll do is we'll do a line about that width around the whole thing, but up here we're gonna just point it up. So around the entire thing, it's kind of gonna be the same distance around, except when you get to that last little part. And we're going to do that on both sides and bring it down. And once you have that done, just fill that in black, and we are already close to having him at a spot where it looks right. Okay, now for his head. So for the first part of the head, let's do the top half and go just on the outside, and you're going to just do a very gradual half circle. Just like that, all the way around, okay? Now for the bottom half, it's gonna come down to a little more of a point. So what I want you to do is bring it down and just slowly bring it towards the middle till about there. That way it's gonna be showing his chin. So top half is kind of a gradual circle, the bottom half is more of a pointed oval, I guess we could call it. I'm gonna redo that one just because I want to. Okay, now for the inside, the last little bit that we have, we're gonna do the webbing. And the webbing is pretty fun, and it's actually just the same pattern multiple ways. So what we're gonna do is let's do the bottom pattern first. And right between the eyes, we'll just do a little curve like that, and then bring it right down to the edge of the mask. Like that. Okay, on the top, do a line that goes straight up through. And then what you're gonna do is curve on each side, just like you did on the other one. Okay. Now, we're gonna have to kind of imagine the other ones because they go behind the eyes, but what you're gonna do is about the same distance around the whole thing, just do curves that will kind of match up. So we want the middle to be kind of empty, and we're going to just curve it out like that. Okay, now once those are done, we can do the webs. Now the webs are going to be the exact same line shape between each of these ones we already made. So I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to just curve like that, and then go into the next one and curve. And we're going to go all the way around the entire mask, making this curve shape. Okay. Pretty simple, right? So we'll go around the entire mask, and what we'll do is we'll do another row. So go up a little more. We'll start in the middle again. And same thing. We'll do the same shape all the way around. Kind of use your imagination when you get behind the eyes of where you think that shape will go. And just bring it all the way around. Okay, there we have it. There is Spider-Man. I think it looks pretty dang good. I think at this point we just need to color it. Okay, there he is, all colored. So I think he turned out awesome. I hope you guys had fun today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can see some of my other videos. Check out some of my books that I have on Amazon, and I will see you guys in the next video.